Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mirror your Android phone screen on your computer. This method will work for Windows, Linux as well as Mac. So let's get started. For this to work you will need Chrome browser and install a plugin named Allcast Receiver. After installing we need to open some ports. For that we will need to go to Windows Firewall and open port 53515. For this click on inbound rules. Then click on new rules. In the next window select port, select TCP and add port 53515. Continue the step, add a name to the rule and click on finish. I have already added a rule so I am not saving it again. Do the step again but this time do it for UDP and save. Now on your Android phone, go to Play Store and install an app called Screen Record and Mirror. It is developed by Clockwork Mod. If you are into ROM and stuff, you have heard about the CWM recovery developed by them. Now go to your machine and in Chrome browser go to extension. Here on Allcast Receiver card, click on background page link. Now open Allcast Receiver app and you should see that Google Chrome will be listed along with the IP address of your computer. Click on it and your mobile screen will be displayed on the monitor. I guess this video was helpful. If yes, give this video a like. Share this video with your friends. For more stuff like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.